What is going on, YouTube? So car repairs. Today we are working on my 2007 GT and we're going to be changing out the front wheel hub assembly. Let's get right into it. I went with Moog hub assembly. I was going to go with Detroit axle, but I wanted to get something a little bit better, so I went with Moog. Pretty nice, pretty good quality. Get this new hub assembly installed. I'm going to just pull the caliper off as one piece, and I'll be able to take the rotor off. So you're gonna have to remove the caliper bolts in the back, one here, and there's one right below it. So this caliper bolt is a 15 millimeter. To hand the caliper up and out the way, I just connected two zip ties, put it through the hole here and through the strut hole right here. So now I need to get my rotor off. Our old hub assembly pretty much exposed here. Now we just need to get it removed from off the knuckle itself. So you're gonna want to take this plastic cap off here. Just kind of working my way around. Now we have that nut exposed here. I have this 36 millimeter socket, impact socket for the 36 millimeter nut on here. This is a one-time use nut, so you have to basically get a new axle nut after you take this one off so the bearings can properly seat. So I went to AutoZone and I got this spindle nut right here. Here's the part number. I got it from AutoZone. So this is also 36 millimeter, but it ultimately just replaces this one-time use nut. Torque's down to 250 foot-pounds, so just make sure you get yourself a torque wrench if you don't have one. I've seen people rerun these, but we're not gonna do that. We're just gonna put the new one on that we bought. So hopefully this comes off clean. Oh, wow. Yeah, it did. Yeah, it came off nice. Put some anti-seize on this piece here. Also on the kind of lubricate this spindle. We got it pretty much on the spindle. Just need to kind of work his way back here. Get seated just like that. All right, just run it down. Let's torque down. Go ahead and basically just throw your wheel back on, tighten on your lug nuts, and you'll be done. So that is how you replace the front wheel hub assembly on a 05 to 010, I believe, Mustang GT, and I think the V6 as well. But till next time, guys, so Car Repairs, so Car Garage. Like, share, subscribe, leave any comments if you have any questions. Peace.